Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are exploring the parts of speech, the building blocks of English. Every word in a sentence has a special role, and knowing these roles makes English easier and more fun. Take this simple sentence: I eat pizza. Each word here has its own job. Let's find out what they are. Meet the 8 superheroes of English. Each has a special job in a sentence. They are noun, verb, adjective, adverb, pronoun, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. First, we have noun, the star of every sentence. It tells us who or what we are talking about. They are the names of people, places, and things. For example, dog, school, happiness. These are all nouns. Verbs are called action heroes. They show us what the nouns are doing. For example, running, eating, sleeping. These words tell us what is happening. Then we have adjectives. Adjectives are the designers of sentences. They make nouns colorful and interesting. Or we can say that they basically describe nouns. For instance, red ball, happy child, tall building. In these phrases, red, happy, and tall are adjectives. Adverbs. Adverbs are boosters. They show how actions happen, like fast, slow, or quietly. We can also say that they describe verbs just like adjectives describe noun. For instance, he runs quickly. Now how he is running? Quickly. Next we have pronouns. Pronouns are undercover agents. They stand in for nouns when repetition is not needed. Look at this example. Myra got ready for school, Myra picked Myra's bag, and Myra left the house. When we repeat a name again and again, the sentence sounds awkward. So instead of saying Myra every time, we replace it with pronouns like she and her. This makes our sentences smooth and natural. After pronouns, we have prepositions. Prepositions show the relationship between words. They tell us where something is or when something happens. For example, on the table, under the chair, or beside the door. Then conjunctions. Conjunctions are matchmakers. They connect words and ideas together. For example, I like tea and coffee. I wanted to go, but it rained. In these sentences, the words and but are conjunctions. Last, we have interjections. Interjections are emotion bursts. They let us express surprise, pain, or joy instantly. For instance, words like wow, ouch, yay. These words express feelings. Here is a fun challenge. Can you identify the parts of a speech in this sentence? Let's see if you can spot the noun, verb, adjective, and adverb. And here we have a recap of our full superhero team. Each part of a speech has its own power, and together they make every sentence clear, exciting, and full of life. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and remember, every word in English has its own power. Use your superheroes wisely in your sentences.